So I guess back to Europe, Nicolas, in terms of the risks of investing in Europe today, what would you perceive as the main risks of that European investment model?
Well, obviously, as we've seen in 2015-16, there was all the risk around, security and, terrorist attacks. Was, I don't know if I can say it's gone away because we never know. But definitely, that's one. And this, unfortunately, hotels can't really do anything about. You have to suffer the impact. So obviously, then means that cities are more exposed. Look, I think the big risk on the hotel side, I think a lot of one thing that people forget on the investment side, and as you've seen from institutions, especially with the flow of capital now in any across market, like more institutions going into hotels, they basically see it as a normal asset class, but it's a business. And we've seen from Julie, obviously, the operator underlying that, underpinning it is key. And do you believe in their model? Do you believe in the way they manage it? Do you and this is a volatile and seasonal business. So, you go in a hotel, even if you buy into a lease, and I'd be quite curious to hear how Invesco invest, but you've seen a lot of, actually also institutions going into management contract as if it was a lease, or even buying a lease as if it was like an office, building with 20-year income to AAA credit. It is not. So, understanding the seasonality and being aware of that is quite key. So that's a risk. And we've seen with the move of, people going, tourists used to go to North Africa, now obviously is moving more to benefiting Southern Europe. But anyone who invested in a resort in Tunisia is probably now, I don't know if any, but that, you have to understand those trends, and you can be heavily impacted as an investor. And I think the next point is supply, obviously. As we see what the market is buoyant. People build new hotels, new concepts. There's the Olympics in Paris coming. We've seen the Olympics. I start hearing people buying land, building hotels. We've seen the story in London. Doesn't necessarily a good story for an investor in a hotel. So I think it's the three things to be mindful of. It's supply, seasonality, and obviously the security and safety of travellers.
There's obviously